Hi, my name's Evelyn Torres. Today is January 30th, 2003. I live in Sacramento, California, which is like Northern California. It's about like 2 hours away from San Francisco. Some of my hobbies that I like to do, I like to go camping, walking my dogs outside, to going to the beach, anything that has to do with the outdoors. I like taking the quads out by like Pismo Beach. We have a Can-Am. It's like a little off-road buggy. We like to go to Sand Mountain or Glamis. Um, right now, I am a part-time student and I work full-time as a veterinary technician at a veterinary medical center. We do have a couple clinics throughout California. I'm only currently taking this class and Calculus 3. The reason why I'm taking this class is for as a prereq for a couple schools I want to apply to. My ideal school I want to go to is University of St. Matthews in the Cayman Island. It's a veterinary school. Ross is another option in the Caribbean, and UC Davis and Oregon State are my last two options. I'm looking forward to this class and learning a lot. And I hope everyone has a really great semester and everyone passes this class, hopefully. And yeah, that's pretty much it about me.